numericals on the basis of Nernst equation, EMF of the cell, Nernst equation for EMF of the cell. So in that we solve a numerical on the basis of in the galvanic cell, whatever the two electrodes we taken to construct, it involves in a two electron change reactions like zinc and copper, or copper and magnesium, or cadmium and copper, zinc and iron and copper, like that. So today also we are going to discuss about numericals on the basis of Nernst equation only. But in these numericals, one electrode having two electron change reaction, another one electrode having one electron change reaction. See for that one numerical, first one, for the cell, Fe2 plus 0.01 molar salt bridge Ag plus 0.1 molar Ag. Write the cell reactions and calculate the EMF of the cell at 298 Kelvin if standard electrode potentials of iron and silver electrodes are minus 0.44 volt and 0.8 volts respectively. So once you will get numerical like this, so you need to first you need to write down given data, then you need to write down cell reaction, then you need to calculate EMF of the cell. See, in this numerical, to construct a galvanic cell, they taken one is an iron electrode, another one is a silver electrode. Their standard E0 values, that is minus 0.44 volts for iron and 0.8 volts for silver. By using this data, you need to calculate EMF of the cell. So before that, first you need to write down given data. First you need to write down given data, that is given. So first one they gave concentration of Fe2 plus, it is equal to 0.01 molar. Next another one data they gave concentration of Ag plus, that is 0.1 molar. Then they will give standard E0 values of, first one is an iron, that is minus 0.44 volts. Second, another one they gave standard E0 values of silver, that is 0.8 volts. So after writing this given data, first what you need to do, you need to write down cell reaction. To write down cell reaction, first what you need to do, you need to identify which is the anode and which is the cathode. Same like previous numerical, here also on the basis of the standard E0 values, we are going to identify anode and cathode. In this, whatever the electrode having high electrode potential, it acts as cathode. Whatever the electrode having low electrode potential, it acts as anode. See in these two, which one having low electrode potential?
Iron.
Which one having low electrode potential?
Iron.
Iron having low electrode potential, therefore iron it acts as anode or cathode?
Anode.
Anode. Then remaining one is in a silver, it acts as a cathode. So after identify, you write down cell reaction. First you need to write down anode reaction. Here iron acts as anode, therefore write down oxidation reaction of iron, that is Fe gives rise to Fe2 plus 2 electron. Then you need to write down cathode reaction, that is silver. So write down reduction reaction of silver. Silver is one electron change reaction, therefore Ag plus gaining an electron gives rise to Ag. See now what happened? In the first equation, in anode reaction 2 electron, in cathode reaction 1 electron is there, it will not cancel. Therefore multiply by the cathode reaction is multiplied by 2, we get, after multiplication we get 2 Ag plus 2 electron gives rise to 2 Ag. So now you write down net cell reaction. So the net reaction is 2 electron get cancelled, remaining Fe plus 2 Ag plus gives rise to Fe2 plus 2Ag. It's a clear? How to write cell reaction? Any doubt in this? How to write cell reaction? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Slight difference compared to previous numericals. Once in the numerical, if they will give one is in a 1 electron, another one is in a 2 electron change reaction, generally cathode only will get 1 electron change reaction. And that time, that 1 electron change reaction you need to multiply by 2. Then 2 electron get cancelled. The remaining is the net cell reaction, that is Fe plus 2Ag plus gives rise to Fe2 plus 2Ag. It's a clear? Write down the cell reaction. Given and cell reaction you write down, then I will tell how to calculate E cell value. After writing, you inform me. Quickly you write down. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, I will solve the EMF of the cell also. After this cell reaction, you need to write down. Sir, you need to calculate EMF of the cell. For that we know formula. That is E cell, it is equal to E naught cell plus 0.0591 divided by N log of concentration of cathode species divided by concentration of anode species. This formula we know. Now you substitute values to this formula. E naught cell is the E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Here E naught cathode value, that is 0.8 minus E naught anode is minus 0.44. Close the bracket, plus 0.0591 divided by 2, N is the 2, log of concentration of cathode species, that is the given in the numerical 0.1 whole square. Here we are going to take whole square cathode because here there is a 2Ag plus is there, 2 moles is there. Therefore you need to take constant 0.1 whole square divided by anode 1, that is in the numerical they gave 0.01 molar. Now close the bracket, take your calculator, calculate EMF of the cell.
1.24 volts, sir.
Check it out, all of you got it correctly. 1.24 volts.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'll type 1.26.
Tell me once again, your voice is not clear.
1.269.
1.269. Here you need to take 0.1 whole square once you check it out. If you take that 1.24 only, you will get 1.24 is the correct answer. Is it clear for you? Once they will give the numerical, 1 is 2
Yes, sir.
electron, 1 is 1 electron electrode, how to write cell reaction, how to calculate EMF of the cell. ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is one numerical. Coming to the next, another one numerical. Just a minute. See, this is next another one numerical. Once I will read, you go through it. Give the cell representation, cell reactions, and calculate the potential of the cell consists of lithium and carbon electrodes dipped in 0.1 molar lithium chloride and 0.5 molar copper sulfate solutions at 25 degrees Celsius. Given E naught of lithium is equal to minus 3.05 volts and E naught of copper is equal to 0.34 volts. So here one thing you need to remember in your mind, that is